monsoon has reached Kerala today, that is on 29th, 3 days before the normal date of onset over the Kerala. So normal trend is that after Kerala, within 1 week time, it reaches to Goa. So although the forecast is not met for the Goa, but as per normal trend, we expect that the normal date of onset over Goa is the 6th June. So 2 day plus minus around that, we expect that monsoon will reach over the Goa. One well-marked low pressure area has formed over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining east central Arabian Sea. Due to that, there is possibility of widespread rainfall over Goa today. So next 24 hours, the forecast is that widespread rainfall will be there in the Goa. Light to moderate rainfall has been forecasted. After that, next 2 days, rainfall will be light to moderate at few places. And the 4th and 5th day, the rainfall will be isolated places, light to moderate. So the effect of this system will slowly reduce because it will move away. And due to this well-marked low pressure area, there is fisherman warning for next 24 hours.